Man, watch this professionalism right here, man. I'm about to take this off with such finesse and oh shit, I dropped it. Well, it's good enough. It's hot as fuck out here. It's like 115 degrees out. I'm still working in the heat instead of waiting till the sun go down. Hopefully this little impact got enough juice. That's fucking nice. Alright, now. I'm pretty sure my Miata had a thicker bumper than that. But we're getting places. I could get in the bucket. Now I got the engine pulled out. I gotta clean all this mess up. You start working on something and you don't feel like putting it away at the end of the day, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 projects down the line, and it start looking like this. And we just had a garage sale the other day, so I also didn't feel like putting that stuff away, so I just threw it in the garage. But it's gonna get clean, and then I need to buy an engine stand, but I'm broke. So here's a time lapse of me cleaning up all this mess. Now I gotta get this transmission off because it's bothering me every time I move it around. It leaks 20,000 gallons of ATF all over the place. Not strong enough. Let's see, but I'm strong enough. Oops. What? Deb? Okay. Holy fuck. Yeah. Just stick your head under the fucking shit that's only held on by a couple tiny bolts. I gotta torque that shit. It's just a cover plate. Like, oh yeah, let's not let that come out. But the fucking transfer case was finger tight. Where's even... Oh, man. I'll be back. Alright, now this thing's about to come on. Whether it likes it or not. Hear that? There's no reason for it to be torqued that much. Just covering stuff up. On the other side, let's see how bad this one is. Yeah. Let me put. Are you kidding me? See, that one's not torqued down. Somebody's been in here. That's probably why it's blown up. It's like, you don't need to torque all of them. You just torque one of them to 200 foot-pounds and the rest finger tight. So, oh yeah. And then look at this. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh well. And then all these other bolts aren't even the same size as this one. This fucking fits this. It's even bigger. I'll be back again. With that thing. Yep. I don't even know why I tried. Now we got this long process of unbolting the torque converter and spinning it slowly. I hit that shit so hard. Stop recording. Huh? Is it loose already? Yeah, it's loose. I just can't move it with my fingers. I hope this only got like 3 in there instead of like 5. Because this thing's blown up, it doesn't turn too freely. Well, how do you do that? If the engine's seized and don't rotate, how do you remove the torque converter? Or the transmission, not the torque, you know what I'm talking about, the flex plate from the torque. Man, that don't make no type of sense. Whoever invented automatic transmissions should not be invented shit, okay? It's not that hard to shift from gear to gear. It's also not that hard to change out a clutch every, like, probably like, it depends, I don't know, like a year. Probably less. Alright. Good. This is fucking, I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Now, before you start saying, oh, there's a special tool, or you should spin the crankshaft, or pulley. Tried that, and it's just about, it strips the fucking bolt. It's not going. And I ain't got no money to freaking buy that little special tool. And I don't like automatic, so I don't want that special tool to begin with. Shit, almost fell out my chair. Only got like 3 wheels on that shit, and but got the job done. Alright, you don't need to see any more of this. This is pretty boring. Let's just find out. It was only 3 bolts. Are you allowed to sing copyrighted songs? Or is that it? No. For YouTube. That's the best situation I've ever had, ever. That's like, it just flopped right where it's supposed to go. Boom. That's it. Boom, done. Boom, pow. Very convenient. Now, I just need to make some money so I can get an engine stand so I can start rebuilding this thing, man. I also need to clean off the rest of this. When you put the engine on the ground, and you got a fucking hole.